Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the door strike on your front load washer. It's a really easy repair, so let me show you how we do it. Now to change this part, we'll begin by opening the door up. If a portion of the old strike is still attached, you'll need to remove the two retaining screws. They're normally a number 20 Torx head screw. And you'll note that there is a little plastic spring type clip on one end of that door strike and a hook on the opposite end. So if it's still intact, you'll need to depress that little plastic tab and lift the old one away. The hook portion is on the top, so you can discard the old catch. Line up that hook, fit it into the slotted opening, and then just pivot that down into position, and then we'll secure it with the two screws. Use caution not to over tighten those screws and strip them. There is a little shoulder on the recess for those screws, which will allow that catch or strike to move back and forth just a bit, when that's normal operation for that. The door strike on this style of washer is a sacrificial part. If the washer becomes inadvertently locked and you pull too hard on the door handle, this part will break before your door latch assembly does. Again, there should be a little bit of movement in that. Just check to make sure that it latches properly, and your repair is complete.